Welcome to our Gelous nail art tutorials. Today for our Halloween edition, we are going to be doing some really cute ghost tips. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply one thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't need to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, and cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Make sure that your builder gel does not touch your skin before curing. Cure this for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has built to the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of spilt milk, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Whiteout and your gel polish brush, paint a swirl across the tip of your nail. You want to make sure that one end is thick and the other is thin. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy the shape of your ghost. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Blackout and your dotting tool, dot 2 eyes for your ghost. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous cuticle oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize.